Well, well, well. Look at me being a good streamer 2 days in a row. But I'm not playing Minecraft again. Today, I am making a Minecraft thing. Yeah, so basically, oh yeah, 121 is out. I have a goal to create an add-on for Bedrock Edition. Now, I did hear that something changed about the way that you make add-ons in 121. I don't know what that's about, but I'm going to plead ignorance and pretend that nothing is different. I have gotten a start on this a while ago. This is just not a project that I've been actively working on. So yeah, lots to learn. We'll see how I do. This is Java Edition. All right, we're off to a great start. So yeah, I was following the Microsoft tutorials. I guess I should be in a private window for this, because I'm streaming. I could get some music going too as well. I had a stream safe playlist somewhere. Let's see if I can find it. Looks like I might not have it anymore. I'll just find someone else's list. Twitch stream safe music, 3.2 million views. Doug stream music. I've been watching a little bit of Doug. I didn't hear any music in his videos though. Stream friendly Nintendo music. I like Nintendo. I don't entirely believe that that's fully safe, but whatever. Let's put it on. Let's do this. Nintendo music. Hello, one viewer. Welcome. Oh, that's so loud. Hold on a second. Also, I don't want to listen to this song.
Here we go.
I don't even know if that was picking up, was it? Yeah, it was. Okay. Alright, what else we got? Lol Tyler 1 music playlist. That's probably all just bangers. I don't know why I googled Minecraft Bedrock, for the record. Let's see here. Songs to listen to while playing War Thunder. Let's just do this one. Like, I just want, like, instrumental. This is Nintendo Land music. I don't know how the... It's probably kind of loud, but whatever. Alright, here we go. So this is Bedrock Edition. Yeah, much worse. Here we go. This is my cool guy Oh, why doesn't he have the happy face? Did they change how Steve looks? Tetris? I can buy Tetris clothes? How much real money does this cost? Oh, it's free. Alright, I got my Tetris hat. Ready to do some T-spins. Oh, let's go. Oh, I'm so cool. Put on that Tetris hat. Okay. Now I'm ready to play. I wish he had the happy face though. I know some people think it's a beard. I want the happy face. Okay. So yeah, I did get a start on this a while ago. Hello, P4P King. Welcome to the show. I'm going to fumble around and... There's emotes? I am so not used to Bedrock Edition. Yeah, so these cows are trying to hurt me. And I also replaced the the dirt texture with whatever this is. This is, oh. Hello. This is all I, Oh, they still run away. That's interesting. Yeah, so if you're wondering why this is, I can show you. And this is kind of the whole point of what I'm doing here today. Let's see. Development behavior packs. Test behavior pack. So I think I can open this whole folder in VS Code. Yep. So why is it only showing me the one folder? I think I opened the wrong one. com.mojang. There we go. Yeah. So cow.json. This is the cow's AI, which I'm very surprised how much you can do with just a JSON file in this game. Can you beat Minecraft for me, please? Yeah, sure. Yeah, it'll just pop over. Actually, this might be a good... I wanted to see... Like, how easy is it to, like, write commands? Do we have the, Oh. I do, like, execute? Execute... in Minecraft end run TP self. No? What's the end? Did they just have like the No? What's the dimension code for this? Minecraft, is it the end? I don't know how to do this. Minecraft execute in end. Execute in the underscore end. I was so close. Yeah, it works! Oh! Aha, yeah, I'm beating Minecraft for you. Here you go. Okay, give me... Alright, so this is another thing I can do. You know what? This is a lesson. This is teaching time. I'm teaching you. Alright. I have a give command generator that I just first result on Google. Name? Cool sword. Lore? This is a cool sword. Right, so this is going to be... do another right sword. Right, we get 1 enchantments. Give me... where's sharpness? Sharpness, 255. That's all I need. So I'll copy command, paste that in. Oh, is this not how... does this not work in Bedrock? Self, netherite. Is there no option for sword? Sure, give me an axe. Can I not attach enchantments at all? Oh, I don't want to kill the Ender Dragon. Maybe I just can't give it a name. Let's just give it enchantments. Oh well. Take me back home. Is it the overworld? Or is it just overworld? There we go. No survival beating the game right now. I have a mission and I'd like to complete it. I don't know how though. I am so not used to Bedrock Edition. Alright, here's survival. Game mode, creative. Alright. I need to get the guide back up, because I am just going to blindly follow along until I have enough tools in my belt that I can just do what I want to. So... so Minecraft Bedrock add-on. Docs. This is the JSON documentation. This isn't like the, yeah, learning journey. Here we go. So I made an angry cow. This was the last thing I did. Thank you for saying good job. I appreciate it. Custom sounds. I feel like I want to skip this because this is just resource packs. Finding the right sound, yeah. You know what? It's fun. I might as well. Do I have Audacity? No, I don't. Thank you for your subscription. I appreciate it. I can't promise that I'm going to be delivering much quality content, but your engagement is acknowledged and it is appreciated. I am certainly not a content creator. I'm mostly just doing this to force myself to stay engaged with my task, which is like shockingly effective. Alright, we get Audacity. I'm gonna record a nice little sound here. I don't know what to record. I didn't think this would be so difficult. Yeah. Something fun, something funny, something... What am I doing with this sound also? Face reveal? My face is on my YouTube channel. I don't need to do a face reveal. I have a webcam, but it is nowhere near me right now. So that's not happening today. Alright, how does this sound? Wow, that sounds horrible. I'll keep it. Now let's add like a bunch of effects. What do I got here? Pitch and tempo, change pitch. What do I got here? Bass and treble. Let's just crank the bass. How does this sound? Perfect. Let's amplify. My real name is on my channel as well. I don't know why you want so much personal information, but it's there. I'm just some guy. Now, I wouldn't recommend that for any aspiring content creator. I think pseudonyms, like having a username, is more than sufficient. A lot of people just go by that, but what am I doing? That's a question I can answer. I am trying to make an add-on for Bedrock Edition, so I can show, actually. If you are familiar with Bedrock Edition, they have this big marketplace button. And on here, you've got all these, like, crazy ways to play the game, which I think are super cool. Very interesting. Now, there's a local company in around where I live that makes sort of like, I guess, I don't know, professionally made Bedrock add-ons, and I've been kind of getting to know the people that work there, and I think it's really cool. I would like to figure out how to make it. So what I really want to do is make like a tech mod kind of thing. You know, like make machines, electricity. I have an idea, a vague idea, but I have a long way to go. In the Philippines, wow, that's well, thanks for tuning in from so far away. I'm in Canada here. I don't know what time it is there, but it's still morning time in Canada. Can I make this sound worse? Yeah, so what I'm doing now is just trying to figure out how to add sounds, I guess. I'm just following along a guide. What does a high-pass filter sound like? That's cool. They really improved the effect tab, I'm noticing. It used to be huge, but they categorized everything. This is so much more readable. How do I get like the EQ, filter curve EQ? This is what I'm looking for. So let's just randomly change this. I do want my bass higher. Yeah, this is... This is perfect. Let's just raise this up too. That's doing something to my ears. I need to amplify again. Oh wait, no, I should not amplify. Because it's way funnier that way. Alright, this is good enough. So I'll export this. What the heck is audio.com? Don't show again. Get out of my sight. Let's put it in... Do I have... Yeah, I guess like... No, I'll make a new folder for sounds. This will just be... And I think I want it MP3. Actually, Minecraft uses OGG. Does the guide recommend one? When did I start to be a YouTuber? The correct answer to that is I have not. I don't consider myself a YouTuber, but I've had a YouTube channel for more than 10 years now. Like, long time. I just kind of make stuff when I want to, and I think that's a good ambition to have, because my true passion is developing, and that's what I'm trying to do right now, but also streaming. This is more of a hobby. So, does it? Yeah, OGG file. Okay, so I'll save as OGG. Sample rate, whatever, stereo. I guess it... I wonder if the sounds are stereo in Minecraft. Entire project, current selection, export. Okay, so I've got it now. I've got my sound. What do I do with it? So I got the right sound. Housing your sound. Oh, I guess it says right here. Yeah. Oh, so this is just an override. Oh, this is kind of boring. Maybe I'll make this a cow damage sound. And how I find that out, I'm not sure. I could probably check the Java edition. Jar. I'll just do the guide, whatever. Okay, so development resource pack, test resource pack. Oh, is this a new folder? My resource pack. This has manifest in it, but we're actually in... Why is this a shulker? I think it's just a folder. Sound pack. But can't this be in the same pack? Why does this have to be a separate one? Can you play Roblox Blocks Fruit? I'm gonna be real, I have no idea what that is. I have played Roblox, and I even have it installed, I think, but oh, that is not how you spell random. I've got a mission. I'm going to complete my mission. Audacity. No, it's not an Audacity. Get rid of that folder. Sounds. And this is... Oh, I guess I should have copied that, not replaced. Documents, sounds. And this is going to be chest open. Scroll through the list of every Minecraft sound file for the chest opening, Control F to find the file. Oh, is this just like available? What are they talking about? This plate, it looks like One Piece. You know, I hate to say it, but you've made me curious. I'm gonna look it up. Actually, I'll look it up on the other screen. I'm not playing it though. Just so we're clear. Blocks fruit. Yep, that does look like One Piece. I haven't seen One Piece, I'm gonna be honest. You're asking the wrong guy. I haven't seen One Piece or played Roblox, at least in a long time. So, custom sound pack enabled. Create a test world with your custom sound pack enabled and cheats turned on, which will allow you to use the give command. Why would I need the give command? It's a chest, right? Okay, so let's create new world. Resource packs. My resource pack. I'm not seeing... Do I have to restart the game? I might have to restart. I'll try restarting. I like this music. This is a really good playlist. Okay. Also, am I on... I must be on 121 now. Yeah, 121. So that's... I really like that about Bedrock. Because I started this in 120, and I didn't have to do anything to make it work. So, we'll create new world. Do I have an account in Minecraft? That is how I'm playing the game. Maybe it's not a resource pack. Why wouldn't it be a resource pack? And why doesn't it need the manifest file? Ah. That's cool. I didn't know you could get the vanilla resource pack. So that's what they were talking about with searching. Would help if I read everything. Hold your custom sounds. If you completed the prerequisites as suggested, you're already familiar with this process. For detailed information... Now that the resource pack has been created... Oh, this is a subfolder. I'm an idiot. Oh my god. That's why it doesn't show up. So I literally just have to... Not behavior pack, but development resource pack. The sound pack is a subfolder of this. Hello, Just a Guy. Welcome. You're here to witness me be a fool. I don't even need to make a new world then if I'm just using the same resource pack. Oh my god, it's so dark. Okay, so if I get myself a chest... I like this, menu. I wish Java Edition had this. Okay, so that's normal. Is there a way... Welcome to this YouTube stream where I watch other people's YouTube videos, I guess. Update? No. I saw this one. This doesn't actually solve my problem. Reload. Yeah, I know F3T is a thing in Java Edition. Is it a thing in this? No. Is there like... Oh, there is /reload though. That's good to know. Settings. Resource packs. So this is my pack. Can I reload it? Zombie indeed. I'm just gonna relaunch the game. Maybe it's just a matter of I didn't do something right. When will I stop? I'm gonna keep going. But if you have to go, then have a good night. I don't know how long I'm going for. I'm kind of just going till I get too hungry to keep streaming. And I'm starting to get hungry, but it's fine. Let's see if the sound worked this time. Nope. Okay, so I did something wrong. Let's continue the guide. Finding the right sound. The stage is set. Housing your sound. Congratulations, things are moving along nicely. Have a sound to replace. Is this supposed to be a zip file or something? Like, why is it a shulker? Oh, is it actually supposed to be called custom sound pack? Did I not do that? Ah, I did not do that. So let's do custom sound pack. See ya, P4P King. Have yourself a good night. May you dream of Roblox blocks fruit or whatever it was you were talking about. Bedrock has to have a way of reloading resource packs. Tomorrow, can you live stream? Probably not. I've got other stuff to do tomorrow. And if I stream again, it's probably not going to be this early. It is, your time zone is about 12 hours off from me. But, you know, you never know. Maybe I'll show up in your recommended feed again someday. And all the streams are documented, or archived, I guess. I don't know. They're telling me to make a new world. I guess I'll try making a new world. Create new world. Resource packs. I'll use my resource pack. And creative. Sounds to me. Bye bye. Okay, give me chest. Still doesn't work. So what am I missing? Like sounds, random, chest open. Oh, is it chest underscore open? Am I stupid? I'm really not paying attention to what I'm doing. No, it's chest open. File, export as OGG. I have chest open .ogg. Now it's time to figure out where your sound will live. From here you could scroll through the list of every Minecraft sound. Chest opening, Control F for the file. Sure, that's pretty intuitive. Com Mojang Development Resource Pack, Custom Sound Pack, Sounds. Yup. Make a folder called Random. Place your... Am I missing something here? Was I supposed to download a file that I didn't download? Oh, he's back! Let's go! You should go to sleep, man. Get some shut-eye. Opening the chest should result. Create a test world with your custom sound pack enabled. That was not an option for me. Like, what would the difference be if I give S chest? That's still a chest, it's the same item. If that doesn't happen, some troubleshooting may be needed. Hey, that's what's happening now. Some common steps include checking your file structure, done. Checking file type of your custom sound file. It is an OGG. Maybe I didn't export it to like the right kind of OGG. Like I do export audio. It's the only OGG that I see. I don't think it's the file that's the problem. Huh. What games do you have? I got lots of games. Got lots of games that I don't play. I'm not familiar with Bloodstrike. So... I'm not sure what I'm missing here. Development resource. Oh no, it is. Wait, what? Does it need a manifest? Okay, I see what I did wrong now. This is supposed to be here. So after I do that, I'm gonna relaunch the game. And if that doesn't work, I think I need a manifest. And if that's the case, then I'm just going to put it in the other resource pack, because I don't know why I have multiple resource packs. Clone of Call of Duty. A lot of games are clones of Call of Duty. But you know what? If it's cheaper than Call of Duty, then that is a good investment of your time. Call of Duty monetization these days are absolutely ridiculous. Okay, yeah, it's not showing up. If I do create new world. Okay, so I think I need a manifest file. So I'm just gonna copy. Paste it into here. You know what? This is stupid. I know how this works. I know how this works in Java. I just put sounds in here. It'll be part of the same one. I'm going to delete this one. And launch the game one more time. The size of Bloodstrike is about 800 plus. What do you mean by size? Because I think of file size, and I feel like it's not 800 gigabytes. Is it like a big map or something? Or maybe player count? Alright. Show me something good. I open this chest and I hear my voice. Yeah, I know how this works. All right. Okay, I know how this works. That kind of feels like I just wasted a bunch of time. All right, creating new entity types. Now we're talking. So I'd actually like to use Blockbench for this, I think. 800 gigabytes? There's no way it's 800 gigabytes. Call of Duty is like 250 gigabytes, and that is like gargantuan. My drive only has 500 gigabytes. What? There's a Minecraft style guide? What? Oh, this is so cool! Wow. This is really neat. Oh, I love this. And they even talk about color palettes? Oh, this is so cool. Pillow shading. Oh my god, this is such a fantastic resource. Yeah, this is so interesting. Cool. Okay, so I'll get Blockbench. Oh, they have a web app? I'll just get the thing, whatever. Blockbench. Is it sadistic that I kind of like the light mode? Oh, they've got so many! I love this software. It doesn't take much for me, but like, this is pretty good. Okay, yeah, we'll go with this one. So I can make a Bedrock entity. Yeah, that's what I want. For entities and item attachables. Okay, let's do Bedrock entity. Let's read the guide first. Create a new custom entity type using behavior and resource packs. How to apply various features to an entity type, including components and animations. Make use of translations for entity names. It's recommended that the following be completed. Behavior packs, resource packs. Download the min robot and full robot resource and behavior packs. I guess I should probably just use the stuff that they recommend to begin. English or Spanish? I only know English. I know traces of French and Japanese. That's just because I live in Canada and I'm a nerd. Do I download the whole thing? I just download min probably. Example, min behavior. Yeah, I'll get the whole thing. So I need GitHub folder downloader. Oh, really? Oh, I used this website. Web extension. Ugh, I liked this website. This is so sad. Hi, Gabriel. Welcome. This is such a me thing. I'm really getting caught up in this detail. I could just download the whole repository and get the folder that I want. Where is it? Here it is. Oh, it's so big though. There's so much that I don't need. JSON, Python. Yeah. Whatever. I want this folder. Give me this folder. Maybe it's worth going on this website. Oh, like the internet really doesn't want me to. Like what is this from? Has been reported as containing harmful software. Ah, it is from Mozilla. Yeah, I can't use that. Is there just like a Firefox extension for this? Oh. Yeah. Yeah, give me that. Allow it to run in private windows. So now I can go here. Let's refresh the page. And how does it work? Does it like add a button to the page? I'll try it in my non-private window. Usage. 1, browse any GitHub. 2 ways to download. Choose the items. Checkbox. Ah. In context menu. What? Oops. Am I missing something here? Double click on items. What are you talking about? Oh, there is a checkbox here. Oh, yeah, download checked items. Haha, let's go. Okay, cool. Good extension. Bye for the 3rd time before peaking. So, I guess I'll put this... this is... I just want min for now. And behavior, we have robot example min behavior and resource robot example min resources. Okay. Okay, so in the behavior pack, an entity is responsible for defining the entity on the server side. Resource pack, client entity file is responsible for telling the game how the entity will look. The following graphic shows how different files can interact to create a custom entity. Oh, this is Snipper Clips music. I love Snipper Clips music. Right, so all the resources... Is it really one file? I think this is not a very helpful diagram, actually. Robot entity example, min robot. So I just got that. Pick one of the sets of resource and behavior packs that you just downloaded. Recommend the minimum one. Put them in the Mojang subfolders. Launch a world with cheats enabled. Use /summon sample robot. Okay, I can do that. So I think I can just edit the world that I'm in. Right, if I edit this one, can I add behavior packs? Active my packs. Yeah, activate. Yeah, add the pack. Okay, so then I can launch it. That's good, because the tutorial keeps saying, like, to make a new world every time I make a change. That's getting annoying. So I should be able to do /summon... What is it? Summon sample robot. Where's the robot? Oh, I didn't add the resource pack, did I? Yeah. Ah, there we go. That is definitely minimal. He's not doing a whole lot. I am him? That's such a cool name. It's him. He's here. Welcome. Okay, so I've got Bobot. Bobot is here. Wait, you can fly on the ground? Hold, what was that? Bedrock is crazy. Can these things die? Oh yeah. Pretty tough fellas. Alright, so I've got my robot. This is the structure of the finished behavior and resource packs, right? So we've got the manifest for the behavior pack, the manifest for the resource pack. And I'm pretty sure it should be a dependency, if I remember correctly. So I'll just take a look here. We go into the behavior pack, manifest, modules. Yeah, so this should be the UUID of this, no? Huh. There is a way to add dependencies. Anyways, after you get an idea of how the robot acts in game, you can remove the finished robot resource behavior packs and recreate them from scratch with the steps of this tutorial to get an idea how all the files work together. Okay, good starting point would be to use the resource and behavior packs you created in earlier tutorials. Might want to remove the attack cow entity, but that's a personal preference. I'll keep the cow. You can DIY water in a cogren? Not entirely sure what a cogren is. When you create an entity, one of the first things to consider is what ID you're going to give it. Okay. Sample robot, right? So I think in the behavior pack... Oh no, it's actually like they put it in there. That's interesting. In Bedrock, you can DIY water in... What is cogren? Most files that define the entity will be JSON files. Recommended to use an extended file and extension as you create each of these. The game ignores these files. Oh, that's kind of cool. I wonder if you can do that in Java too, because that is like super annoying when making a Java mod. I'm eating crackers. No, it's all good. I can't spell either. On the best of days. I don't really want to do all this. I'm not that interested in making an entity. So you can make a spawn egg. That's kind of interesting. So every entity that gets added to the game seems to need a spawn egg. You're 10? I was 10 once. Good time. Savor these years. I think I'm just gonna skim through this. Okay, yeah. The translation strings is an important one, though. Is that in resource packs? Text, yeah, ENUS. So it's a dictionary with the key value pairs. Identifier. I don't really understand this, but I guess I'll figure that out. Okay, so testing. Test early and often. That's just life advice. Yes, hello, Bennett. Be able to spawn your entity in game using the egg or the summon command. If you want a static entity, you're good to go. If you want to customize even more. So in the entities folder, robot.json. Where is that? Here? Components. Oh yeah, Minecraft physics. Oh, does that mean it's not affected by gravity? Oh, maybe the physics means it is affected by gravity. Behavior.tempt. I assume that's, if I look in the cow, that's probably in there too. Where'd the cow go? Test entities cow. Is tempt here? Yes, with wheat. Cool. So that's how you attract mobs. Random stroll. Okay, that's nice. You have a YouTube channel. It is I am him. I see that. You are commenting from your YouTube channel. I see that. Experience reward on death 8. Okay, so these are just different things. Movement.basic. Oh, it breaks it all down. Ability to move on the ground. Jump in order to walk up blocks. Allows it to walk and avoids water. Okay. We're setting the priority to a higher number, so entity will only do this when it has nothing else to do. Speed multiplier will decrease the speed. Okay, animations. Animations are stored in animation files. What kind of file is that? This is the model. It's a JSON file. I wonder if the animation is in a JSON file. It seems like everything is in a JSON file. I guess I can check. I downloaded max here. Or full, rather. Animations. They are JSON. That's crazy. What? Poison? Okay, that's not the actual animation though, is it? Oh, this is just the behavior, right? I should check the resources, animations. This still doesn't like... Oh yeah, rotation. Query.modify distance move. Okay, cool. Okay, that's all I needed to know. Hello, LP Flick. This is not right. This isn't how this song goes. They put a Siva Gunner song in this playlist. That's awesome. Yeah, it is in the resources. Thanks for the message, though. I don't know what the stream delay is like, but it seems like it might be 10 or so seconds. Alright, we're listening to the Flintstones theme. That's hilarious that they would build the stream playlist. I wasn't expecting to see Siva Gunner in this. I hope there's a few more just like randomly dotted through. Oh, it literally says it right here. Okay, that's all cool, but I really don't need to make an entity right now, so I'm not too concerned with this. I want to make a block entity. Tried modding Java Edition once and gave up. Yeah, Java it's tough. It's definitely tough. I've tried a few times, and last time I tried, I actually got what I wanted done. I was trying to take the gunpowder barrel from Immersive Engineering and make it a standalone mod. And I thought that it was broken, but I later found out that I think the gunpowder barrel in Immersive Engineering is just broken in the latest version. So yeah, it's definitely tough. I'm doing Bedrock Edition right now because I don't play Bedrock Edition, but I have I'm interested in it, and there's like a local company that makes add-ons that I've been getting to know the people, so I don't know. It seems a little nicer on the brain. Molang. Is that what the command thing is called? Molang is a simple expression-based language designed for fast data-driven calculation of values at runtime with a direct connection to in-game values and systems. It is used in Bedrock Edition's add-on system, with its purpose being enabling low-level systems like animation to support flexible data-driven behavior for both internal and external creators while staying highly performant. That's a lot of buzzwords. Official documentation. Interesting. They made a programming language? Oh, in the JSON. Weird. Which one is better, Bedrock or Java? That's a big question. I wasn't sure, but now that I've used Bedrock a while ago, I've used Bedrock for a while, like trying to figure this stuff out, I gotta say I much prefer Java Edition. Maybe because Bedrock was written from scratch, it's a bit better structured. I think you're right about that. It's definitely, like, you know, like even the main menu, they've got the marketplace button. This Bedrock Edition was built for add-ons first and foremost, so I think it is like in their best interest to make it super moddable. And I guess that's what Molang is all about. I wonder how much I need to know this. Okay, so that's pretty cool. So what was the point of this? It's common to have a scripting language like Lua or something non-programmer devs and modders to add stuff. Yeah, this is very proprietary though. It's kind of interesting that they made their own like scripting language. I just haven't heard of it before. I am like really impressed how data-driven this is. It's all like, I haven't touched TypeScript yet, and I was kind of expecting to by this point. The animations section lists all animations controllers. So what was the point about Molang? So this is Molang here. Transitions. So they call it in water, which is true if it's in water or rain. But this counts as animation, so that's how you drive state in an entity as well, I guess? That's kind of cool. It's neat. I don't really need to know it, though. Entity modeling animation, behavior introduction. Like, I'm not really interested in the entities right now. Most of what I want to do is blocks. So let's do this instead. I will delete the robot stuff. And yeah. So I imagine now, I wonder what happens when I reload the world and this doesn't exist. Does it just like unload? Does it crash? Is the world corrupted? It's just gone. Okay. And the item's gone too. That's like somewhat graceful, I guess. Minecraft's behavior packs and resource packs allow you to create amazing custom content for the game. Yes, custom blocks are an excellent way for creators to start adding interactive content. That's what I want to do. Through this tutorial, you will build a custom die block. Don't be scared. That just means a singular dice. A singular dice. I want to question the grammar on that sentence, but that's fine. That has different textures and can be placed in the world by a player. Okay. Use JSON to define a new block, assign textures to a new block, some behaviors and components that blocks can access, what .lang is and how it's used for in-game text. I kind of wish it wasn't all JSON, because it's really good and data-driven and awesome, but it's so hard to read. It's so like Oh, they made a video?
Hey everyone, Carrie from Minecraft here, and today I'm going to show you how to make a custom block with custom geometry and materials in the Bedrock edition of Minecraft. Before we get started, I just wanted to show you
I
this.
think I would rather read. Okay. Yeah, so it should be pretty intuitive to just make a block. I guess I'll keep my dirt texture override. Nah, I'll get rid of it. Get it out of here. Let's go in Krita. I'm gonna make a new file. Better than XML? I can agree with that. What kind of block am I making here? This is just like a test block. Doesn't really matter. It's just... I had this red from the thumbnail I made earlier, so... It's just... I don't know. A nice, nice block texture here. The thunder sounds a lot weaker in Bedrock Edition compared to Java Edition. Ooh, it's a cool textured block. Wow. Now I'll add some green. And this will be overlay. Or maybe not overlay. Ooh, yeah, look at that. Alright, that's pretty cool. Sick block, dude. Oh, that looks awful. That's so, like, blurry. With all due respect, Mr. I Am Him, I am ignoring you. I don't know why I'm still trying on this. Wow, check it out. It's got some highlights. This is my cool block. Aw, yeah. It looks so good. Sick texture, bro. Alright, so let's save. We'll save it to the correct directory in the resource pack, textures blocks, as a PNG. Let's see. What do I call this? Crimson Knight. I invented a new metal. Okay, so I've got my Crimsonite. So next... So I've got the manifest, I need blocks.json. That's interesting. I'll just put this up. I really want to use two screens, but I also want to keep streaming. So people know what it is that I'm looking at. Test resource pack. So we'll do a new file. Blocks.json. Was that just in the root directory? It's interesting. Yeah. No, that's right, I think. this directory here. So yeah, we need texts. enus.lang. This is where all the words will go. Textures, blocks, crimsonite. Custom block behavior. Right, so this is the behavior pack. Blocks. New file. Oh, I made this a file. My bad. New folder. Blocks. New file. Crimsonite.json. Completely arbitrary that I called this Crimsonite. I'm a big fan of you, and now you say that you're ignoring me. You know, that's just showbiz. Gotta keep civil discussion. Sometimes I'm gonna crush some dreams. Imagine behavior pack. That's all the information about blocks behavior. Specify the components I can get friction, flammability, destructibility, more on. Blah 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 blah. In this tutorial, fairly simple custom block. Blocks adjacent to specify visual properties of the block, not using any other components. Advanced custom blocks. Sushi block. Interesting. I have a lot to learn. It doesn't seem that difficult, but it's just like so much. Do I have a dependency on my data pack here? Behavior pack, I mean. My manifest. I do not. I think I can do that. So the UUID should be the resource packs. No, this is the resource pack. So I go into the other manifest, paste it here. Oh, I already have it. Oh. Oh, what a fool I am. Okay, let's create a custom block. Okay. Folder new blocks. Maybe I should be using this. I'm sorry. Well, I suppose I can forgive you. I suppose. Format version should be the latest. Yeah, I figured I'd be doing more resource pack stuff than anything. Oh, they've got all the pictures embedded here. That's funny. All right, I will add crimsonite after I figure out how to add the dye. Let's do it like that. So, do these have names? How I'm gonna do this is just literally... Where did they go? Where did they go? This is the wrong tab. Drag into here. Oh, it's a bitmap? It's a PNG when I do this. It's a PNG when I drag it like this. No. That's annoying. Guess I gotta save all these. Save as. Save as. Why are they named like this? You love my videos. Thanks. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. That's more sides than a cube has, so I don't really get what that's about. This is die 6. This is die 5. Die 4. Die 3. Die 2. Die 1. And what's the last one? Die red. Die red. Cool. I wonder what the red one's for? Me too. I'm not really reading the tutorial, so... Oh, this goes into the lang file. Tile.demo, die.name. Cool. So custom block resource pack. Text. Okay, so that's the lang file. I also just skipped the behavior. Let's do the behavior now. Manifest blah 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 blah. Did that. Behavior custom block JSON file. Manifest.json. Copy paste into your die.json. So die.json would go in here. What is the format version? Because I'm on 121 now. Does this autofill by any chance? Not really. Like .30? There's not that many versions, is there? Components. Save the file. Yeah. So this is the identifier for the block. So I guess every block is going to need this, right? So we've got tile.demo, demo die. That's the identifier there, right? Demo die. Dot name. I wonder if that'll show up for the item. I guess it might. Didn't ask me to add any more, so. Because from Java Edition, what I remember is adding a block means you have to add a block and an item. And the item refers to the block. And then you need to specify how the item gets rendered as the block. This might be simpler from what it seems. Have you ever played ODCE? I am not familiar with that. Oh no, he's back. Go to bed, man. But welcome back. Set the block name with lang file. Okay, I did that. Okay, yeah, so that was the... Was that everything for the data pack? I guess so. Why don't I read this? Okay, components is for behavior, description, demo, die. Okay, I wonder if it's a problem. No, this is my first custom thing. Yeah, okay, that's fine. Format versions exist to version the add-on system and allow Minecraft to introduce new features into the add-on system without breaking old add-ons. Okay, so it shouldn't be a problem then that I'm keeping the old version of 1.19, because I'm sure they added more stuff in 121. I know there was a lot of data pack changes, but I think, like, it should be backwards compatible. Okay, that's helpful. Thank you. Thank you, LP Flick. My god, you guys all subscribed? I didn't even, like, ask you to. That's so kind of you. "11:08 a.m. where do you live?" That's an hour earlier than me. Min-engine version. That's the block name with lang. I'm getting very hungry though. I should probably have lunch soon. I do have my nice box of crackers to hold me over. So we got the textures, we got the lang file. Friendly name. Next step is to associate the texture names with the texture file path. This is done in the terrain texture JSON file. Where was I supposed to put that? Terrain texture. Under textures. That's interesting. This is new to me. Where do you live? I live in Florida. You don't have to reveal anything about yourself. Good internet lesson is to not answer questions like that. I live in Canada though. I'm not afraid of saying that. Textures, new file. It was called what? Terrain texture. Terrain texture.json, and I'm just gonna copy paste whatever they're telling me to do here. I like this song. What is this from? Paper Mario, huh? Origami King. Origami King? Is that what it's called? Origami King, yeah. I didn't copy everything. Did they give me a broken JSON file? No. Wait, what? This opens and closes here. What's wrong? Oh, I just didn't save. Gotcha. Okay, I know this song. Hold on. Oh, it's on the tip of my tongue. I'm gonna check. What is this? Metopia. Okay, I was not gonna get that. I played the Metopia demo. Is that a dox in chat? Don't do that. Your trout is hurting right now. I'm assuming you mean throat, but it's really funny to imagine that you just have a fish beside you that's in pain. Drink some water and go to bed. God, I feel like I'm a camp counselor again. I used to be a summer camp leader. Ugh. Okay, let me understand this. Oh, that's cool. So custom block resource pack is the name. That's not what it's called though, I don't think. That would be in the manifest? No. It's just called test resource pack. Why do I have to specify the resource pack name if it's in the resource pack? Or does this go in... No, this is... Yeah, terrain texture is part of the resource pack. Little confused by that one. That seems like a really redundant field to have, but whatever. So texture data, we have die 1, die 2, die 3, die 4, die 5, die 6, and die red. It doesn't do anything with these though, it's just using it. What would padding be for? I guess that's for the texture atlas. Yeah, right, atlas.terrain adds a padding of 8 pixels, I assume, and map levels would probably be on the atlas as well. So nothing's being done with these in this. This is just adding it to the texture atlas. You say, huh? Would you like an explanation? Because I could try to explain that more. You know, this can be educational for you guys as well as me. So define textures and sounds. Okay, this is where the actual textures happen, and this is in blocks.json maybe? What's good? Mystic Ender, hello. You love coding? Awesome. It's a lot of JSON files for Bedrock Edition add-on making as I'm learning here. So not a lot of actual programming, more so just understanding the file formats. Okay, P4P King, goodbye for the 5th time. I also love coding. I've been doing it for a long time. I am almost graduated from computer science. So that's pretty fun. Carried textures. Carried textures? So this goes into the blocks.json. I'm not fully understanding. Bedrock. We've got the format version. Demo die. Oh, okay. The indentation was throwing me off. That's why. Yeah, okay. So this is all the information for the die. We've got up, down, north, south, east, west. I wonder if we're going to add behavior in this tutorial to make it like randomize or something. That'd be pretty cool. I don't know what carried textures is. Allows you to specify textures to use in your hand hotbar inventory. Okay, just to demonstrate. What kind of mod is it? At the moment, I'm just following the tutorials. I've never done this before, and I'm just streaming so I can like kind of hold myself to it, to the task, and like stay focused and stuff. And I think it's nice because like speaking out loud as I do all this stuff is genuinely helping me like understand what's happening. My ultimate goal, I would like to make some kind of tech mod. Just have some like machines and pipes and whatnot. I don't suppose. Aha! Demo die. All right. Yeah, it worked. So I can see that it's red in the hotbar, and that's the carried texture. I don't see why you would ever need a carried texture, but let's see. Is there a block? I guess scaffolding might be an example of one that uses that. There's probably lots of examples. Iron bars, fences, walls, things that look different in the hotbar than they do in the world, I guess. Tommy Innit music? I think this is Nintendo music, actually. I just grabbed a random, like, Nintendo music playlist. Who is your favorite YouTuber? Oh, if you throw, is it still red? That's a good question. Yeah. So I guess it specifies, like, the block entity as it exists in inventory space and as an entity, and not the like block as it is a block. Oh, what's the breaking texture? That's the bottom one, I guess. Cool. Tommy Innit composed the music for the Wii console? Alright, I'm learning a lot today. That makes a lot of sense. If it's in a chest, I'm assuming it looks the same, but I do get to show off my cool sound. Yeah, so any inventory space, it looks like this. I think it just looks like this in World. Doesn't do much, though. Oh yeah, who is your favorite YouTuber? I read that question out loud and didn't answer it. I've been watching a lot of Etho. I am an Etho guy to the core. That's in terms of Minecraft anyways, but I'm just kind of in a Minecraft mood lately, so I don't have an answer beyond that. Yeah, random orientation. I don't know if that's like the goal with this, but no. Yeah, that's the whole block. I think they just wanted to demonstrate that the you can hold left click? Oh, what? That breaks so fast. Bedrock is crazy. Yeah, I think... What is happening to the sky? God, Bedrock is so weird. This was just to demonstrate how to have different sides of the block. Not Tom Scott or Germa. I do really like Tom Scott. I feel I feel a little bad that I made that video. I posted that video just because like I made it for Instagram to like send to my friends or whatever, but some of my friends didn't have Instagram, so I was like, I'll just put it on YouTube and send it to them that way. And then the algorithm just decided that 250,000 people should see it. I was like, oh, well, okay. I Am Him is my favorite YouTuber. You know, he's starting to grow on me too. Germa was my favorite streamer when I watched Twitch more regularly. But he's like kind of retired now. I kind of retired from watching him too at the same time, so that's a good deal. Okay, so the next step is make sushi. I guess we're just abandoning the die block. I want to make it like randomly rotate. I want to see if I can do that. So I know from making a Java edition mod, or like trying with that, this is definitely somewhere to be looking, because there's different kinds of blocks that are just like by default. So like in the game we've got, you know, like different ways of placing blocks. We have observers is one, we have log is another. Like these are blocks that have many different sides. I guess with the logs they only have 2 textures, but they have, you know, depending on the face of the block that you place them on, they go different ways. Observers are special in that they change orientation based on the way that you're facing. And I think pistons would be the same. I'm gonna ban you. Who's always a YouTuber for me. Yeah. Yeah, I still watch his highlights every now and then, but you know, he doesn't really make content that much. He's just living his life. As far as I know, Minecraft doesn't have a way of, like, there's no block that has a random orientation when you place it. Right? Is there one already? Because if there is one, this will probably be super easy. Like, I guess there is texture variance when you place, like, dirt. You see there's, like, a gray speck there. It's down there. Like, they rotate the block randomly. It's really subtle. But is that consistent? Yeah, that's, it's not actually random, it's just, like, based on where it is in the world. Which I guess would be, like, close enough. Like, I'd be happy if I could get that to work with the die. Have it, like, randomly rotate. Or maybe I'll just follow the tutorial and I'll figure it out from there. That's what I'll do. This is Celeste music. I like Celeste. just open my own stream. Okay, tutorial time. Woohoo, reading! Let's go! Yeah! So, making a custom block. We're going to be using Blockbench for this. I want to make a bedrock block. Create the model. And I guess I'll just follow along the tutorial. We've already added a cool we've already created a cool die block that you can make with the fewest number of files and JSON. So let's explore the exciting possibilities that are offered by the behavior pack JSON components, geometry, and material instances. Oh, this will probably tell me how to make a random die. This tutorial builds from part 1 and uses the same file structure with one major difference. For these blocks, we will be using custom geometry models. So we'll be adding a models folder to the custom block resource pack. Okay, I can do that. The resource pack? Resource pack. Test behavior pack. Test resource pack. Models. Block. Blocks. And I'll make the file in a minute. Let's use Blockbench. For this tutorial, we're going to be doing some work in Blockbench. Free entity modeling application for creating entity models in Minecraft Bedrock Edition. Users have the ability to create textures, animate them for Bedrock Edition maps. Blockbench has external plugin support, enabling developers to create additional tools for use within the program. That's cool. Also has the ability to export models into a standard OBJ format, Java Edition block model, and more. Yeah, I used the Java Edition, not with Blockbench, but I have a little experience with Java Edition block model stuff. I made like a cool pipe that connects to itself. We will use Blockbench in these tutorials to create custom geometries. For the more advanced blocks, we'll create for sushi, fish in a bubble, and a giant umbrella. What? If it's your first time using Blockbench, take a look at our Entity Wizard document. Entity Wizard. Each custom block has different unit vector. Unit vector. Is that what UV is? I thought it referred to the dimensions though, because it's U and V, as in like vertical horizontal or horizontal vertical, whatever. It makes so much sense, unit vector, because it's unit, it's 0 to 1. Whatever. Okay, for this tutorial, we are sharing the texture for the sushi wrap. As a bonus, the seaweed will be all the same for all 3 roles. You can reuse the same geometries. Texture for the individual roles, however, will be dependent a type of roll. Salmon roll. Yeah, ultraviolet. File export, export bedrock geometry. Wait, what? Did I miss something? Huh? I think they forgot to add the step where you actually make it. Well, I will just do whatever. Per face UV, box UV. I guess I want per face UV. What exactly is my objective here? I'm going on Wikipedia. Hey, that's not what UV is. UV mapping. The letters U and V denote the axes of the 2D texture because X, Y, and Z... Yeah, it's not unit vector. Alright, I'm satisfied with that, but they do have the word unit vector here. No, this is just for sphere because you use a unit vector on that. This is wrong. Mojang. Come on, man. Texture size 16 by 16. I don't know if that's going to be a problem. I really feel like I'm missing something here. Can I download this? Like, can I just not make it and download it instead? Hardcore sample, RTX skin pack, custom item, custom blocks. Oh yeah, I got sushi here. So I can just get the textures from here as well. Sushi wrap. I want sushi wrap, salmon roll, tuna roll, California roll. Download. And I want... I can make the rest, I think. No, I want... Yeah, no, that's good. Got gourmet race. So... blocks, textures blocks. I drag all this into here. Oh. I think I'm gonna skip this song. I don't like this remix. Okay, I've got the sushi textures. And I need to make this file. Or is this just in blocks.json? Like, do I just put it here? No. Oh, it's models. Right. So I make a new file for sushi.json. Or sushi.go, right? I lost my chat. There it is. What is Blockbench? Is like a 3D modeling software specifically for making Minecraft models. It seems really cool, but I am refusing to use it for some reason. Sorry, crackers in my mouth. This is such a lazy way to follow a tutorial. They had the textures here. Okay, so this is terrain texture. No? Okay, we've got the names. Include the sound in blocks.json. Wait. Yeah, this is right. Create individual custom blocks for each role. Right. So these are all going to be separate blocks using the same model, is what I'm understanding. So behavior pack now. Mr. I Am Him, what is your favorite video game? Oh, do I need to make a separate file for each of these? Cringe! This should be enough to have it load into the game, though. Me. I said video game, not YouTuber. You're everybody's favorite YouTuber, of course. Geometry. Optional. Name custom instances of materials and use them. Another cool part of material instance. Favorite game is Minecraft. That's based. It's base dig. You can actually create defined variables within the scopes. Why did I say scopes? Within the material instances component. Let's see an example using salmon roll. What exactly are they talking about here? This is like a wildcard thing? Define sushi side as having the salmon roll texture. Oh. Then for north and south, we can use sushi side as a string rather than a whole object specifying texture. Right, because north is an object with the texture specified as salmon roll. But we can define sushi side like this. That's cool. Oh no. Oh, the indentation's all ruined. Right, so we define it like that, and then suddenly I can use just this string instead of this whole object again. That's cool. Okay. That's handy. So geometry.sushi must refer to the model. Which I have here. No? I don't know. Trent, that's me. Then for north and south, we can use sushi side as a string rather than the whole. Yep. Your turn to create the Tune in California rolls. Feel free to copy the salmon roll file to start from. Yeah, I can do that. That's pretty simple. I just need to copy this. We got California roll and salmon roll. Oh, wait, what was the other one? Tuna. Tuna roll. I have sushi in my fridge right now. It's a material, I guess. There's also render method, face dimming parameters. Where are those? Where are you finding this information, by the way? Tuna roll. And save that, and California roll. Okay, so that should be everything. Is there... Yes, I was talking to you when I was asking what your favorite game was. Is there an easy way to refresh? Because like I was relaunching the game, but now I figure I can at least just relaunch the world to reload the resource pack, data pack. So I should have... No rolls. Okay, yeah, there's some... California roll. Oh, it sounds great. Let's try salmon. And tuna. Cool. Look up Minecraft material instance. Oh yeah, this is the more exhaustive documentation. Ambient occlusion, face dimming, render method, texture. I might as well try one of these out. Default value. Oh, they have default values. Double-sided, blend, alpha test. This is all useful. Do they have like yeah, blend is good. Alpha test. So alpha test for like glass, blend for stained glass type things. Do they have spectator mode in this? They do. Yeah, because this is backface culled. There is no textures if I go inside. But if I wanted it double-sided, I could use double-sided. Cool. Alright, this is pretty intuitive. That's a lot of caves. That feels like an abnormal amount of caves. Don't remember Java Edition having such good documentation. Yeah, the Forge documentation isn't that bad when I was using it last. But yeah, generally, I think like Bedrock Edition feels way more reasonable to learn because they're interested in having people make content for the marketplace. You search up my YouTube channel, all I have to do is click on your name, but I'm kind of in the middle of something right now. So that's a sushi block. Next is animated block texture. I feel like I can skip this one. I want to get to the friggin' like block entities. Yeah, this is not that interesting to me. After? Maybe after. Creating a goblin chef. You know, professional Minecraft creators make something cool from beginning to end. Instead of teaching the basics of creation tools, tutorials assumes the basic knowledge of creating Minecraft. Let's spend more time talking about creative decisions like color choice or finding the right proportions. That sounds like art. I want function. Okay, so you make the goblin chef, animate it. Okay, loot table. Loot table, I understand loot tables. Village, a structure. I don't want to make a structure. So, that's the end of the learning journey. Weather report? Sunny as heck. Differences between Java and Bedrock? That's cool. Oh, the band. I can check. Yeah, this is the playlist here. Pat Metheny Group was the last song. I'm not familiar with Weather Report. This is just a random playlist. Though now that I think about it, this is gonna come back to haunt me because this is on my account, so I will probably get a lot of instrumentals that I don't want to listen to. I need to make my own playlist. Can you do a command block that gives you a command block? You know, I had a world once where we had a command block with the pressure plate on top, and had it summon an ender dragon, and every time an ender dragon was summoned, it would hit the pressure plate and summon a new ender dragon. That world crashed very quickly. That was a long time ago. Alright, how do I add, like, I want to add a UI. Let me make, like, a dumb furnace. I know how to give myself a command block. This is my first rodeo. Experimental features, packaging content. Designing gameplay various. Ooh, that's kind of neat. You know, this is a good point because Bedrock Edition is used on mobile as well. Huh. Block states and permutations. Block states are variables that can be set to different values. Their current values to be evaluated on permutations condition to determine if that permutation should be used. Can I use Molang to generate a random number and rotate my die? Yeah. You may have a TV block with different permutations for the way it's rotated. Another example is a lamp block with one permutation. First on, high light emission, off, zero light emission. Sure. Condition, component. Search up Rickroll. That is a hard pass. Yeah, it is Molang. So I wonder if query, if I get like the Molang documentation, is there random? Oh my god. I can make my rotated die. This is exciting, actually. This is cool. can only have 65,000 permutations on a block? That's terrible. Block event trigger component. Block trigger. On, fall on, and interact on. Placed! Yeah! Woo! Oh. Oh my god. Oh, this is happening. I am rotating this die. Okay. This is happening. Oh my, I'm actually so excited. So this is a component. I believe. Events. Yeah, where does the event happen? So on placed. When an entity tagged as a player places a block in the world. When an entity places the block in the world. So on placed. Where does this go? It's an event trigger for when an actor places a block in the world. On place can use the following parameters. Condition not set event. Target self. Would this be a component? Does ChatGPT have, like, can I just ask questions to ChatGPT and have it answer them about Minecraft Bedrock Edition development? Okay, if I can understand this, I can probably do a lot with just the JSON stuff without using TypeScript. I'm gonna try not to use ChatGPT. I always, you know, especially when I'm learning something, I would like to, you know, learn it. Oh, it's already 1 o'clock, jeez. Maybe I should just call it a day soon. I'll see if I can get this die to rotate, and then I'm probably gonna sign off. But this might be another, like, hour of work. So where do these events go? Block triggers. Behavior pack. It goes in, it belongs somewhere in the behavior pack. I'm assuming it goes in components. Like if I go, is it gonna... Does it go here? So I'll just copy this. Right. It's funny that they have comments here because JSON does not support comments. So condition query dot block state. I have the add-on that lets me have syntax highlighting, so that's nice. But is this just gonna like highlight anywhere? Yeah, it is. So this might not be the right place. Custom normal facing up. Custom? Custom? Custom condition? I guess this is where I would put random. There's Molang. Molang, I can probably close a lot of these tabs. Yeah, math.random integer. Query dot. Right? Wait. I don't know what to do. Query dot. Can I do math here? Is this all under query? No. Query. Query, get your way. Do I even need query? No, I can just do math. Probably. So, choose a random integer between 0 and 2. Less than or equal to keyboard? 2 to 1. So if it lands 0 or 1, although yeah, I'll just do equal to 0. Because I don't know if this is like 0 and 1 or if it's 0, 1, and 2. I don't know if it's inclusive. I guess I could probably check. Inclusive. Okay, so it does include the number, so I'll do less than equal to 1. Are you a kid or an adult? I would like you to take a guess on that one. So the event then will be a custom event that I can just call rotate, right? Target self is fine. That's also the default value, so I think I can get rid of that. Now, where does this event exist? I feel like this isn't right. I feel like this isn't right. Let's see. What do I do? My Bedrock on place rotate. I don't know. On place event. You can make events the same depth as components. I guess that makes sense. I was kind of expecting it to look like that, but I wanted to see it in documentation. Okay, so I could just look up Bedrock events. Yeah, there it is. So, oh, I can name this event. I guess we're using demo, so use demo. I can do demo rotate. That's funny, you sent the link that I found. spawn loot. So is this Molang then? Oh, sequence. What? Oh, this is crazy. You can do so much with this. Event responses, add mob, damage, decrement. I read die and I was like, oh, just like the block! Set block. So I want to do set block state, I think. Yeah, so I would do set block state. And then I need some orientation value. We'll just do like demo. We'll start with a Boolean. Like is rotated to true. Okay. Can you log off so I can talk to Trent? I'm stepping over your comments, I'm gonna be honest. I can read what you say. That's such a funny thing to ask, though. It's kind of a loud song. So, block states. I need a custom block state then. And I need a permutation based on the orientation. Ah, I see. Wait, no, this will affect how it's placed too, I think. To set the state which determines the block's direction, we will use placement direction block trait with the cardinal direction state enabled. So this would be... Is this data? This must be data. Description. Identifier. Right? I've got the identifier. So then, as part of the description, we have traits? That's weird. Can be used in queries. Yeah, Minecraft cardinal direction. Bizarre. I feel like I'm adding too much here. Without like testing any of it. Right, why rotation offset random? Yeah, that's a good point actually. Is this... Like when you place it, it's gonna face towards player. But I would need to change the X, Y, and Z. I think the event would maybe override whatever this is. So instead of demo is rotated, I want to change Minecraft cardinal direction to say, I don't know, north. And then I would make a different event and condition for each of the directions that it could face. I think this will work. Although, like it's not an equal chance. Oh, I'm getting confused. Like I would need to have a 1 in 6 for the first, a 1 in 5th for the second, and so on. This is definitely not how you're supposed to do this, but I'm learning. Let's just see if this did anything, or if it's just gonna like break. So what I would like is that this will give me a 2/3 chance that I place it and it faces north. Okay, the item is not showing up. That kind of implies that I didn't do something correctly. Why does this have red? Contains emphasized items. Doesn't even matter. Let me get rid of this for a second, because that's probably what's making it break. Why are you ignoring me? I'm just not reading the chat very often. I'm here to make a die block spin. It's still not there, what the heck? Also, all the ones that I placed are gone. Yeah, look at that. Unknown, that's funny. Did I change anything else? I can't even remember. No, I've just been in the behavior pack. Is it the traits that's broken then? I am just gonna remove all this. Why are you reading his and not mine? I'm literally reading yours. Oh, I gotta go. I literally have to go right now. Bye everyone. This is Sudden.